Hi, my name is Jan from ACCbit and I'm going to explain something today about one of the products that we have in our portfolio, our high resolution encoder. But first, what do we do at ACCbit? We measure loads and vibrations on rotating and linear drives. And this high resolution encoder is able to measure the vibrations on rotating drives. Here is the one that we see. It consists of two parts. The blue part is the sensor that fits for a wider diameter range, and the black part here, that's the color which you selected for a given diameter. And I'm going to install it around the shaft. So I'm going to use it like this. Voila. And then I use this one screw which I am turning till it's sufficiently tight. Voila, we're good to go. Sensor has been installed on the system. Normally we also conduct a calibration procedure. It basically means that we put on the sensor and we go to the certain speed range that we are interested in, and we do some quick accelerations and decelerations, and then the sensor has obtained enough information about its relative position, about the misalignment, and about all the factors that are needed to estimate angle, velocity and acceleration. Okay, we're good to go on conducting a measurement. So it is now loading the gateway and we're going to scan around to find all these kind of sensors in the vicinity that we will use to conduct a measurement. I'm going to press the scan button. It's going to look around for these sensors. Normally you should find this one here, and voila, this one here is available. Once I find it, I can connect to it, and once I'm connected, I am ready to conduct a measurement. So here's connecting the sensor that we selected. Voila, this has happened. Then I can set the sample range. I can do this from anywhere between 25 Hz and 16 kHz. I'm going to leave it to 2 kHz. I'm going to sample angle, velocity and acceleration. The range that we're putting here is not the range of the sensor itself, it's the mixture of the tangential acceleration, the normal acceleration, the gravity effect, and that's something we typically leave to 10G. Voila, I made all the necessary settings to carry out a measurement. I'm going to decide to show the velocity data and the acceleration data, and I will press start to conduct a measurement. Now, when I start to speed up the drive, I can directly get a good view on the velocity and the acceleration, and I get a good feeling on how is my system behaving. If there are abrupt things happening, then I directly see it and I can get a good idea on what are the orders, what are the resonance frequencies, what are the impacts that are suddenly happening inside my system. Voila, this concludes our demo about our high resolution encoder. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out.